Hey guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video. I wanted to share with you guys a new accessory that I got for the PlayStation 2. It's called the Wingman Converter, and it basically allows you to use any newer controller, as you can see at the bottom, PS5, PS4, Xbox, Switch, with your PlayStation 2. So this acts as basically the median between that controller and your PS2, and that way you can have wireless capabilities for your PlayStation 2, but also use a good controller compared to these cheaper controllers that you find on Amazon. Again, I still think these controllers are really good. I did a ton of videos about them. I'll leave the review and the unboxing for this one in my description. And it goes without saying, this is much more expensive. It pretty much works out to 4 to 5 times the cost of this cheaper controller that you find on Amazon. I'll leave links to both of those again in my description. Now, let's get to the unboxing. I'm just gonna cut this open here. Make sure I don't cut myself. Cut this seal. I'm not even sure if this is, all right, there you go. That should be good. I just damaged the box. Oh no, not a good unboxing. All right, there you go. The box is open. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, nothing else in the box. We'll set that aside over here. All right, and there it is, the Wingman Converter for the PS2. All right, what do we have inside here? So in here, looks like some stickers. This is a sticker? Yeah, there you go. That's pretty cool. Stickers, not bad. All right, that's that. And I guess we have sort of like a manual for the converter. You can see that right there. I'll just leave that off to the side. And then this is what we wanna take a look at. Okay, so I guess this just pops open. Yeah, there you go. This is the converter. So this is gonna plug in directly into your PlayStation 2. And I guess, let's see right here. Connects to wireless controller, PS5, PS4, PS3, Switch Pro, connected the controller and the Wing PS2 using a USB cable for the first time. So I guess you would just plug in your wireless controller for your PS5, for example. You plug it in using USB-C. This plugs into the PS2 for the first time, and after that, I guess it will register that controller every time you turn on the PS2 and your controller. Again, this is just an unboxing. I will be doing a full review of this converter for the PS2 and kind of answer the question as to whether or not it's worth that price point compared to these cheaper wireless controllers that you can find on Amazon. So if you guys are interested in that review, don't forget to just like this video, comment down below what you think of it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that when I do come out with that full review, you guys are the first ones to see it. So there you go, that ends the unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.